should be glad. Because I see the gentle breeze coming, and I hear the lays, roulades, and songs of the birds, which make my heart rejoice. The mild season makes me happy, but I despair of youth, for I see it debased every day. I am amazed by one thing, that now I see graining and flourishing, pettiness, yes, and deceit. Whichever way I turn, I cannot see anywhere courtesy, nor beautiful manners virtue, nor valor, nor disport reign. Slanderers with sharp tongues, may God confuse and hate them. Keep prowess struggling and advance malice. But I say to the brave, and I wanna preach, that none of them make a truce with these people, if they want to keep prowess. Likewise, the ladies are treacherous, and know how to trick and deceive, with which they make their husbands keep and feed other people's children. Hence arise the detestable misers, of which not one likes joy or disport, nor anyone dares speak in their midst. To have the pagan side so much that they don't look for right or wrong, but only for the one who knows how to pound them best. Whoever was loving and prized by ladies should rather give it up, for a knave will get the same, or more if more he needs. And I might prove it well by my lady dame strong bum, but I don't want to expose her. But I don't want to expose her. Such a place where he himself could wait a long time in vain.